South Mobile Bay, until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:58 p.m. Central Daylight Time, strong thunderstorms capable of producing waterspouts were located along a line extending from near Horn Island to near Petit Bois Pass, moving northeast at 25 knots. Hazard, waterspouts and wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Central Dauphin Island Bridge, Fort Gaines, Western Dauphin Island, Petit Bois Pass, Mississippi Sound east of Pascagoula, Heron Bay, Alabama Port and Portersville Bay. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following marine locations: South Mobile Bay, Mississippi Sound, Alabama, and coastal waters from Pensacola, Florida to Pascagoula, Mississippi out 20 nautical miles. The following marine observations were made as of 5